Good morning, everybody. It's actually Christmas Eve today, so Merry Christmas Eve. I have Seth with me, obviously, and we're gonna go into Nickel and Bean and get a coffee and just kind of chill out for a little bit. First things first, coffee. We got our coffee and now we're back home. We went shopping for a little bit. I didn't vlog it. But now we're going to make crinkle cookies, and I actually make these every year. The first step is to combine all the dry ingredients. Again, I'll leave this recipe listed down below, but we need to combine cocoa powder, flour, baking powder, and salt in a medium bowl. We have our medium bowl right here, and let's just get into that. Next, we have to cream the wet ingredients, so we're gonna do that, and then after that, you're gonna mix the dry ingredients, and then it needs to cool for at least an hour. So we're gonna let it cool, and then Seth and I are gonna go to his family Christmas, and then we'll come back and bake them.
And then the unthinkable happened. We ran out of sugar.
Babe, we might be a whole cup short of sugar. Seth, stop doing that! We're walking over to my grandmother's right now because I was baking and we're like a cup and a quarter short of sugar. There's snow on the ground. You guys want to see? I'm wearing Claire's Crocs. You want a race?
Really?
That was good. We got our sugar.
Back to baking.
Now that the dough is chilled, I'm going to roll it around in powdered sugar, and then I'm also just going to top it off with some crushed candy canes. I think I'm just going to put you guys on a little time lapse.
I am the worst vlogger ever. I forgot I was vlogging, so I stopped vlogging. To make up for it, enjoy these bloopers.
That's good enough. Okay. Merry Christmas, everybody. So it's obviously the next day, and I stopped vlogging yesterday because I ended up just watching Christmas movies and then going to bed. But these are the cookies. They turned out amazing. And if you guys are making them, I did notice that the ones with candy canes didn't like crack as much. These ones are without candy cane. I did like half and half, but they're still very delicious. So definitely try it. Like, this is my favorite recipe. And today we're just going to be chilling out for a little bit. Seth will be getting here soon, and we're gonna open our presents. I know, I'm a chef. Seth helped make them, but I did the most.
I helped too.
No, you didn't. You just crushed candy canes. You just crushed candy canes.
Yeah, I do be like that sometimes. But a dog with a butt.
So I made my cup of coffee. You guys can kind of see I got some hearts going on. I'm currently trying to work on my tulips. I did manage to get one to work on my mom's coffee that I made. So I'll insert the picture right here, and it's the closest thing I have to a tulip. I think I'm gonna order another pitcher with a wider tip, just because it'll be easier to pour, and then I'm pouring it into something else to make the milk more consistent, because I'm coming into the trouble of my foam becoming too thick on top. I think Claire and I are going to play a game of pool. We got this pool table. It's portable. I know it looks kind of funky in here, but I also wanted to show you guys, it randomly snowed last night. Like, we weren't supposed to get any snow, and it randomly snowed, so I'm so excited because we get to have a white Christmas, which is so exciting.
Warning, Claire is really bad at pool.
What was that?
I'm scared. Wait, what color? What am I?
Your stripes?
Oh, no way.
It ain't gonna go in today. That's good.
Okay. Let me do it again.
Okay, you can do it again, I guess.
I don't got no good angle. Why can't I do this? You gotta keep all your dumb laughs in. You are so mean. Wait, I want to try the one thing. That was cute. Wait. Well, at least I hit the wet ball. Oh, I hit it. but it didn't go nowhere. I wasn't actually going for that one, but I hit it. Oh, can I please do it again?
No.
Oh, yes, you hit mine in. I'm gonna win this. Oh. You almost spit out your coffee. It's still in your mouth.
Claire, did you know you just got?
I said shoot. I actually said shoot. I said oh shoot. I said oh shoot. I said oh shoot. It's about time.
Oh, I won.
I just want to play.
I won.
Let's play again.
I'm the winner. I don't think anybody is
You
surprised.
like that sometimes. No, you missed like 5 times.
But I still won. At least I can hit the ball.
But it do be like that sometimes. But a dog with a bullet.